Good morning, kids. Welcome back in our ENV class. On some days it rains and on others it does not. Sometimes the air around us is hot and on some days it is cool. The condition of the air around us at a particular place and time is called weather. So today we are going to start our new chapter number 13, weather. In this chapter you will learn about weather and seasons. This is how weather keeps changing from day to day. We wear different clothes and eat different foods in different weather. Means weather affects what we eat, what we do and what we wear. Hot and sunny days, cold days, rainy days and windy days are the different types of weather. The weather of a place does not remain the same every day. First, hot and sunny days. Some days of the year are very hot. The sun shines brightly. We wear light colored cotton clothes during hot days like shirts, skirt, shorty, etc. We also use cap and goggles on sunny days. These clothes keep our bodies cool. We like to stay indoors. We like to eat cold things such as ice creams, juices, cold milk, cold water, etc. These things help to keep us cool. In sunny days, we use fans, AC, coolers, etc. In sunny days, we like to go to beach and swimming is a favorite activity on hot and sunny days. Second one is cold days. Some days of the year are very cold. We wear dark colored warm woolen clothes during cold days like sweater, muffler, socks, gloves, jacket, etc. These keep our bodies warm. It snows at some places when it is very cold. We enjoy sitting in the sun. We like to have hot things such as soup, hot milk, tea, coffee, etc. People build bonfires and use heaters to keep their houses warm. Rainy days. On some days it rains heavily. There are dark clouds in the sky. We wear raincoats or carry umbrellas on rainy days. We also use gum boots in rainy days. They protect us from the rain and help us to stay dry. Raincoats, umbrellas and gum boots are made of waterproof materials. Sometimes when the sun shines through the rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. Windy days. On some days, the sky becomes cloudy. On some days, the wind blows very hard. A strong wind can blow things away. A light wind is called breeze. A very strong wind is called storm. Storm can cause a lot of harm. Seasons. A season is the time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days or months. There are 5 different seasons depending on the weather. These are summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, and spring. We wear different types of clothes and eat different types of food depending on the season. First is summer. It is very hot in summer season. So summer is the hottest season of the year. In summer season, we like to have cold things such as cold milk, candy, ice creams, juices, etc. And we also like to go on beach. Mango, grapes, watermelon, sweet melon, orange. These are main fruits of summer season. Monsoon season, when it rains heavily for many days. After the hot summer season comes the rainy season. This is the wettest season of the year. It is also known as the rainy season. In monsoon season, we use raincoats and umbrellas. Autumn season, when it is neither too hot nor too cold. It is the season just before winter. Many trees shed their leaves in this season. Winter season, it is very cold in winter season. This is the coldest season of the year. In winter season, we use dark color woolen clothes like sweater, muffler, jacket, socks, gloves, etc. We also like to use blanket in winter season. In winter season, we like to have hot things such as hot milk, tea, coffee, soup, etc. People build bonfires and use heaters to keep their houses warm. Spring season, when most flowers bloom. Beautiful flowers bloom during spring. New leaves grow on trees. The weather is very pleasant. The gardens are full of colorful flowers and trees are green. So students, here our chapter is over. Take care. Bye bye.